looking at a 16-foot Sport by Airstream. The back storage cabinet can also be accessed from inside underneath the bed. It's quite deep to hold quite a few bins. Comes with a wireless backup camera. There's also 2 LP tanks and 2 batteries, and a container to cover up your tanks. Outside shower. It's a single axle, so it's lightweight. Has a really nice screen door, heavy screen door. I'm not real happy about that there's only one step, but it does have a really nice entrance mat with the Airstream logo on it. The screen door is one of the heavier screen doors I've seen. It doesn't just slide in the side of the trailer. It's its own separate heavy-duty screen door there, which is really nice, and it has a lock on it. There's a nice linoleum floor when you walk in throughout the trailer, and it has the black ultra leather interior decor. The front has the most beautiful panoramic windows with full closeout drapes to block out to give you privacy and block out the sun. The cabinets on top above the dining room open up, and there's your sound system, Bluetooth, and you can put your electronics and your controllers in there, and it shuts, and it has speakers, which is kind of cool. That gives you a little bit, tucking away so you can't see it all. It has a fantastic fan right there, right in the beginning when you walk in, so it draws out all the air, gets it flowing. Also has a rooftop AC. So it keeps it really cold. The front dinette is very spacious. It can fit 4 people sitting around the table, and it also converts to being, I think it's more than a twin size bed. It looks more to be about a double size bed, which is pretty nice. Most of the dinettes just make into a single bed. The kitchen area is all condensed on one side with the microwave, sink, cooktop, and refrigerator all together, which I wasn't really happy about because there's not much room there for cooking and counter space at all. The only counter space you have is when you put the flat top down on the cooktop. That's it. You have no other counter space. There's the microwave, and you only have the 2 little cabinets right above the kitchen. The microwave is at a convenient location. That's what I liked about it. It was really nice, right above your head instead of most of the small campers, they have it below. The only drawer they have is for silverware, and it's right underneath the sink, which, that's weird. There's no other drawers in the whole place. The refrigerator does have a little freezer, which is helpful if you ever want to put frozen dinners or anything frozen in there in your ice. And the bathroom is right right behind the kitchen, and it's right next to the bed and the entrance to the door. It also it's pretty handy. It has hooks there and for storage. The bathroom had a towel bar on it. It did have a shower curtain in it, and it is a wet bath. I don't know, I just felt like really claustrophobic in the bathroom. It was so small, and I think that it was right by the shower knobs were on the floor, which is weird. And the toilet paper rolls right there. I'm thinking that's going to get wet. But it did have a window, and it also has a small fan, a shower fan in there. So, and it had the full curtain. But I just felt like it was a little bit too small for most wet baths. I don't know. It wasn't, maybe it was the location that it was at. It was on the side instead of the front or the back, but I felt like it was in the way. It was taking away from your kitchen room and your right, sticking out right there by your bed. It took up a lot of space. The weird thing for me was the TV was in the back where the bed is. So I'm thinking, wow, if you want to watch TV and you're sitting on the dinette, I mean, it has a swivel, but it's just for a small TV, and it's at the foot of the bed, and I just felt like the sleeping quarters. Um, I know they have a window and everything on the side of the bed there, and it's a pretty nice big window, but it's so claustrophobic because on the other side of like on one side where your feet are is the TV and the bathroom, and then where your pillow is there's a small closet. The closet, I was impressed with the closet though, because the closet was really, really nice size for it's a full length closet for your clothes. That was really, really nice. But I felt like it took away from the sleeping area, and you didn't have any cross ventilation. You only had that one window on the side there. There wasn't any window on the left or the right. It was just um, the one on the side of the bed. So I wasn't really happy with the window situation. I think you can get the gist of what I'm trying to say when you see the floor plan and you see the overview. Uh, it's really it's pretty tight, and there's not a lot of windows, except like I said, the front panoramic windows are breathtaking. It's a shame the bed's not in the front. I mean, beautiful the way that is. But I know because it's an Airstream, they have, there's not many windows. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for viewing. Bye-bye.